Programming a key fob for your 1996-1998 GMC Sierra is a straightforward process you can do yourself since these models lack modern Bluetooth integration. First, ensure you have a working key and a compatible replacement fob. Part numbers like 12663402 are common for these models. Ensure your vehicle's battery is charged above 12 volts for successful programming. The programming sequence involves synchronizing the remote with the vehicle's body control module using ignition cycles. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine, then cycle it off-on 10 to 15 times within a 10 to 15 second window. Then press the lock-unlock buttons on the fob. This process can learn up to 4 fobs. Remember to avoid programming during electrical storms to prevent module damage. While DIY programming is viable, success rates are around 65%. Common issues include dead fob batteries, which account for 45% of failures, and BCM malfunctions, responsible for 30%. If the programming fails, consider replacing the fob battery or consulting a professional. As of 2025, newer GM vehicles increasingly use digital keys via smartphone apps, like GM's My Chevrolet, marking a shift away from physical fobs. For older trucks, aftermarket adapters enable smartphone control, but parts availability for 1996 to 1998 models will decline. While the trend is towards digital, understanding the manual programming builds knowledge for vehicle electronics. A failed programming attempt may lead to BCM damage, costing around $400. Therefore, proceed carefully and consider professional help if unsure.